In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotations in Balsamiq. If you're new to Balsamiq, or even if you've been using it for a while, adding annotations can really help you enhance your designs and communicate your ideas more effectively. First, you want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, go ahead and type Balsamiq into the search bar. When you hit Enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results. Your next move is to identify the very first result that comes up, or simply look for the URL that matches balsamiq.com. Click on this to proceed to the official Balsamiq website. Once you're on the website's homepage, you'll need to locate the Login button. It's usually found at the top corner of the page. Give it a click to enter the login area. Here, you'll need to input your login details. Make sure you have your username and password at hand. Carefully type them in and press Enter to gain access to your Balsamiq account. After you've successfully logged in, directing your attention to the main toolbar is the next step. This is where the magic happens. You should see an option labeled Annotation. Go ahead and click on this button to activate the annotation feature. It's as simple as that. Now with annotations activated, it's time to place them on your canvas. Position your cursor on the spot where you'd like the annotation note box to appear. Click and drag across the canvas to create a space for your annotation. The size of the box can be adjusted according to your preference, so feel free to make it as large or small as you need. After you've placed your annotation box, it's time to add your notes. Click inside the box and start typing your insights, context, or instructions directly within. This step is where you get to explain elements of your design, provide additional context, or clarify instructions, which can be especially useful if you're working collaboratively or handing off your designs to a team. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added an annotation to your design in Balsamiq. Using annotations can really make your work clearer and more understandable for others, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you need to provide extra details. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!